how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Instagram's sleep mode, also called as quiet mode, on iOS and Android devices so you can resume receiving notifications and messages without interruption. So let's get started. For this video, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, open your Instagram application and then you're going to click on your profile here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to your profile. So you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to settings and activity. Scroll down and here you'll be able to see time management. So simply click on it. And here you'll be able to see daily limit and sleep mode. You're going to click on sleep mode. And over here, what you're going to do is you'll be able to see this button over here that says sleep mode. You can see that this toggle button is turned on. All you need to do is simply toggle this button off, and that's it. That is how you can turn off sleep mode on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.